Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how you can display only the grandchild categories with the WooCommerce Category Slider Pro plugin. Make sure that WooCat Slider plugin is installed in your WordPress site along with the WooCommerce plugin. You can directly click Add New, or you can click WooCat Slider and then click Add New to create a new slider and give it a title. As our goal is to create a slider with only grandchild categories, so let's directly move on to the general settings and category type properties. Here you can select a category type from parent and child. Select parent and child and you will get a few more properties. When you click on the box, you will get the list of your created categories is showing sequentially. That means here men is the parent category, men accessories and men's clothing are the child categories of men. Pants and t-shirts are the grandchild categories of men. So select your desired grandchild categories and see them in the live preview by clicking the show preview button. So let's select first. Click show preview to see the grandchild category slider in the live preview. So this is how the grandchild category slider is showing in the live preview. You can display the grandchild categories in another way, like leave the field empty, and below that exclude all the category labels except grandchild. Now if you update the preview, you will find the same result in the live preview. You can display the categories in different layouts like slider, grid and block. Go to the display options to configure the category content position from below content, above content, right content, left content and overlay content. Let's have a look how the content position above content looks like in the live preview. So select it and update the preview. And you can see this is how it looks initially. Check the box to make the slider card style. So you can see this is how the card style looks like. Below that, show or hide the category icon, category name, product count, custom text, description and shop now button related properties. So now if I update the preview, you can see I have hide the description and custom text properties from here, and now it is showing only the category title and shop now button. Go to the thumbnail settings to configure the carousel thumbnails related properties. Here you can select a shape, set box shadow, border, margin, zoom effect, image mode effect. If I select grayscale and normal on hover and update the preview, you can see the grayscale effect is working on the live preview. In the slider controls, you will find the options to configure autoplay, navigation and pagination related properties. If you want to change the category text related properties, then go to the typography settings and here you will find all the text related properties to be configured. Suppose you want to change the category name font, then turn the load category name font and select your font family font 900 plus Google fonts. So if I select Roboto and update the preview, you will see the text font family has been changed to Roboto. Finally, publish the shortcode and copy it from here. Go to a page where you want to display it. Insert the shortcode in a text code or shortcode block, publish the page and view it. So you can see this is how the grandchild categories are showing in the web page. I hope you have got a clear idea of creating a grandchild category slider. In the upcoming videos, I will come up with another feature of the plugin. Until then, take care.